you can disconnect the battery. You can disconnect the battery. You don't have to, but let's disconnect it. It's disconnected. Some people will disconnect antenna. You don't have to do that. If you want to work comfortably, you can disconnect this LCD from the body. These are the 3 hinges that hold it. And then the 3 hinges here, and then these 2, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. We're gonna attempt to do it without removing the screen. I don't think you have to really do that. So next step is to remove this slowly. Remove this. Let's see if we can pry. So, slowly and carefully. Okay. Okay. Now, we can remove the LCD from here, here, here. Pry this forward. See that? And then disconnect the cable. Don't force it. You got to pry this little thing open. Pry this open, and then pull the cable. See that? This is the new LCD from Dell. New LCD from Dell. So I'm gonna put it here. Okay. Power. Okay, now we've tested. The screen works. So we. Okay. See, in that hole, okay, that hole. Now, connect the battery. So you see, we didn't take this out. We did not take the hinges out. Yes, if you take the hinges out and separate the screen, it makes it for easier work environment. But battery is charging. The new bezel, but I could have used the old bezel. This is the new bezel. You don't want to leave fingerprints over here when you remove this. tape. So we're going to remove this. We're going to put the top first. Make sure the top is aligned. Okay. Okay. There it is. Now, there is it, starting on the battery power. So it is done. See, we removed the screen.